Hey, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out the Gotrax MARS Hoverboard. Now this thing is pretty cool, has up to a 5-mile range. It'll go about a little over 6 miles an hour. I'm going to go ahead and let my daughter ride it around. Glide over the streets with its 6.5-inch solid rubber tires for a smooth and steady ride. Powered by dual 200-watt brushless motors, it conquers inclines and reaches speeds up to 6.2 mph with ease. Sync your favorite tunes to the integrated Bluetooth speaker for an immersive riding experience. Its self-balancing technology ensures a safer ride, perfect for both beginners and seasoned hoverboarders. With a 5-mile range and stylish LED lights, you're set for an exciting journey, day or night. Go ahead and grab yours today.